Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation here on YouTube. I am a week behind, and I finally caught up this past weekend and crafted with some friends of mine, and I wanted to come on today for hashtag Deck the Year. So last week I missed, well, I'm not going to bore you. So I made a really simple um, altar playing card. In the background, I laid some just book pages, but without the print. And I sanded down my card like I always do. See here? And inked the edges with vintage photo and walnut stain. That kind of gives like a very, what do you call it? Very distress edge. These are ephemera pieces that I have in my little container. I took this is a gold foiling, and this is a green and gold acetate. This is a floral ephemera piece. This is a Dollar Tree sticker. This is a little piece of lace that I had in my scrap bin. And then here's a little green bling just to kind of go with the green theme. It's not even St. Patty's Day, and I'm thinking about green, but I'm thinking about flowers. And with that, I used a small little index card, and this is the 3.5 by 5. So this is for today, for week 7, February 13th. And here is my card. I laid down some pattern paper, scraps of pattern paper in the background, some green. I'm just trying to use up all my scraps is what I'm doing. This was a piece of graphic 45 paper I cut this framed image out of it, and I inked the edges. I laid down some lace that I had in my snippets, and then I added another Dollar Tree word that said wonderful. I went into my flatbacks. This was from Pink Fresh. Some gold flatback pearls. There's one on the bottom here. And then this is a moth or butterfly that I fussy cut and added to the image. So I really like how this one turned out. I really do like it. You can see it better. So this is for week 6, and then this is for this week 7. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. Hopefully I can breathe and not be so stressed. Look, my fingers are all inky, but that's what happens when you're crafting. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.